Hi, this is Craig from Spam by Me, and welcome to another episode of Toys in the Bedroom. Today's toy in the bedroom is this double pointy finger, and this single pointy finger is a Nintendo Gacha, or Gachapon. Never quite sure how to pronounce it. Gacha. Let me know in comments how it's pronounced. I think it's Gacha. Fidget toy, and it's basically 1/3 of an old Nintendo NES or a Famicom controller, and this third of the controller here is bar, and the B and A buttons there, like a little fidget stress reliever type toy. Keychain. Pretty cool these. I think they were only released in Japan in vending machines, gacha machines, and you can get the B&A controller, start and select, and the D-pad, and they're not particularly cheap. You can pick them up for about 15 quid on eBay per segment, so you're looking at about 45 quid per controller. You can get these. There's the GameCube, there is the N64, the Famicom, all different types of controllers, all broken down into different component segments, and I think they're a nice little touch, nice little stocking filler for the anxious Nintendo fan in your life. I mean, if you've played Turtles on the NES, you are definitely going to be a bit anxious because it's disgustingly difficult. Anyway, I digress. That is the Nintendo Gacha keyring. NES. B&A button. Stay. Good controller.